Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, right underneath the video, there is that thumbs up. That's important for the growth of a YouTuber. So if you're enjoying the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. Okay, guys. This has been such an exciting day and such a great way to start off the month. I have been getting notifications that boxes were getting delayed and things that I was expecting earlier last week or on the weekend didn't arrive. And then today on Monday, everything decided to show up. Not everything, but a lot. So I decided I should sit down and just plow through them, make sure that I get everything filmed, because sometimes with YouTube it takes longer for the uploads, and I want to make sure that all this information gets out to you. This is so exciting because not only, do I get, my boxes that I pay for on the channel, because that's how the channel started. I've also been very lucky when certain brands reach out to me. I'm very particular with who I choose to share on my channel, because this is my platform and it's something that if I know I'm going to use, or something that is intriguing to me, I figured it would be intriguing to you as well. And there's been a lot that have come through, through my DMs on Instagram, as well as through my emails, that maybe later when this is not something, because I still work full time and, with the businesses that I have with my brother. And so this is something that I was doing to get for me to enjoy with you the growth of coming from Canada into the USA, being here now full time, and being able to learn social media and that, and sharing what I love and never had the opportunity before, which is makeup, skincare, fashion, jewelry, and things like that. So that was always what my goal was. And then as the channel started to grow, a lot of companies reach out, and a lot of them, are, companies that there's no reason why they should be reaching out to me based on my platform and what I say I like and so on and so forth. But this company reached out, and I sat on it for a little bit, and I really wasn't sure if it's something that I wanted to share on my channel. And then I realized that this is something that I enjoy. It's something that I go out and buy for myself. So the fact that there's a subscription box for this and I didn't know about it, maybe others didn't know about it as well. So I wanted to I looked up their website. Everything looked beautiful. The story behind, which I will share with you about the person who did this box, I think is fantastic. Everything about it ticked off the boxes for me, and I decided that I would sit down and share about this box to you. If you're familiar with this box, then make sure to share it in the comments down below, because you will know more about their customer service and because all I can do is share with you based on the information that I got through the communication, through email, as well as when the box arrived here and how beautifully it arrived. It came in a beautiful outside packaging that had flowers all over it. And then inside was the most beautiful creative box. It is so cute. It has everything on here from teacups to journals. The name of this company is called the Journal Junk Box. That is the name of the company here. And everything about it was just so intriguing to me. Not only do they put things that are essentials in here, they have cute little extra little accessories that I think are a lot of fun as well. As you know, what I do on my channel is I open up everything prior to, so I could take a picture for Instagram. So if you're not following me there, you are missing out, because there's some things I solely share on Instagram that don't need a video, and I don't want you to miss out on any of the information that I'm able to share. So my name on Instagram is True Wants with the number 2. Inside this box, there were 2 cards here. One of them is a thank you card, and the other one tells you what is in the box and what the cost of those items are. And that's the 2 cards that were in the box. It also came beautifully tissue wrapped with a thank you on it. And like I said, it was really, really beautifully packaged. And it says a lot. You can almost feel that it was done with love. And if you check out their Instagram for this box, you see some of her kids helping package and put things together. It brought back such memories with my first business of how, you know, when a business starts, how everyone in the family is involved packaging things and putting things together. So just so you can know a little bit more about this brand, because I knew nothing, and as you know, I always like to share a little bit more about a box. This is a box that was founded by a person named Dallas Gordon. She is the founder. She's also a business mentor. She's also an author and a speaker. She has always had the love for expressing herself through creative writing, and it's all about women empowerment. She enjoys giving gifts and wanted to provide a way for women to escape into their creativity, unwind, and create opportunities for enjoyment and pampering each and every month. There are 2 boxes that are available there based on the information that I saw on the website, and I always suggest that based on what I've learned is my understanding. So for you guys, you have to go on the website as well and then read and see if you're comfortable, as well as I was, to be able to share this on my box. This box that I'm going to be showing to you is filled to the rim with so many unique items, and it's around a $44 box. But she does charge a flat rate shipping of $10.95. This box was a very, very heavy box. The items that she puts in there cause a lot of weight, and what she marked on her website was that's her flat fee for her shipping. So if at times there's things that weigh more in the box, she absorbs those costs. Everyone, when you have a small business, especially when you're trying to do a subscription box, there's a lot of extra costs, more than the actual cost of the items that you're going to see, that create why a box has to be at a certain price. And it seems like the price of her box seems to hit that type of price mark. She also has a smaller box in here that she calls the sack. And I did not receive that. I asked her to send me, you know, her options, but what she chose to send me was this item. She did give me an option of which boxes I wanted. I asked her to send the most recent one so that while I'm showing it on my channel, it's something that's still available for you guys to be able to get as well. And she simply says that the journal junk box is your monthly dose of journaling, fun delivered straight to your doorstep. Journaling is known to be therapeutic and provides a safe space to express your thoughts and creativity. Each box is packed with journals, office supplies, stationery, and many more fun pampering products for us. The mini box, which I'm not sure what is inside it, is $22.95. And she also has on her website that she currently only ships to the United States. She also says they don't ship to Alaska, Hawaii, the Virgin Islands, or any APO address. I mentioned to you about the flat rate, and the shipping cost is not included in the subscription box price because they want to maximize the items you receive in each package, and want to heighten our box experience. At times the box, which I explained to you, may exceed the shipping cost charged, and in that case they will cover those additional charges. So everything that she's doing, she's very upfront. And when I opened this up, each item gave me a smile. So I hope it does the same for you. So let me share with you a little bit more about the items that are inside this gorgeous box, and what a creative box. And this alone should tell you how fantastic and fun the items are going to be in here. This is truly, to me, that fun box that if you want to give a gift to somebody that has almost everything, this will give them a little bit of this and a little bit of that they'll be able to share with other friends or family members as well. So the first item in here was this really cute cosmetic bag. These are these long bags that I always use for my nail care tools, those long files, the things that is what I use these styles for. These are also fantastic for makeup brushes. So it came with a little bit of packaging inside. I removed that to be able to show to you the inner lining. It comes with this long carry-on, handle, and it also has a tag on it as well. So everything is really beautifully done. The next item that was in the box I thought was really cute as well. This is something that in my office, my other business, when we were in Canada, I gave everybody one of these type of stamps so that after they proofread or did something, that they would have their own unique stamp and they would stamp it. So this way I knew that they read it, they went through it. So by the time it came to my desk, I knew who did what And mine was always a heart. And what's ironic is this one is a heart as well. So this one has the full stamp on the bottom. The ink is already in here, and the sticker on the top is what the stamp looks like. I've tried my best to do it on the back here, and that's exactly what it is here, but it shows you on the front the item sticker, the item diagram of what the actual item is. So that is something that I have always used in my office environment, and it's nice to have this now here. It brought back such memories. There's another item in here that is a food item. And this is this item here, and is from Nikki's Popcorn Company, and she's calling it the Valentine's Mix, which is just scrumptious to be able to have something in here. I love popcorn, and I love scented popcorn as well as flavored popcorn, but I've never tried a Valentine one, so excited to see what this one is all about. The next item in here is something that I used to always have on my desk, and the fact that these are multicolored is such a feminine touch. These little clips are something that I use on a daily basis for all of my documentation and files and folders. This is always something that everybody should have in their arsenal. These are these special clips that open up, and then you clip everything together, and then you can fold it down so everything stays together. It's so much better than a stapler. It enables you to add things and take things away. It's just a really, really great component. I've never seen it in such beautiful colors. Mine were always black. And the fact that it's in its own little jar with a little cork cover, I think is such a little unique touch, and the little ribbon here. Like I said, everything is stuff that you're going to use, but with that little extra little bit of pizzazz to it. The next item in here is from this brand called Carpe Diem. And they're saying this is a perfect set of ballpoint pens in 4 different prints and colors. Each pen contains black ink, and it's an ideal companion for your planner or your notebook. And these are the 4 pens that are here, which I think are so cute, because I am the type that always leaves a pen down and doesn't know where my pens are. So these are really going to be easy to see where they are. So really excited about that as well. The next item that is in here was also something that I thought was so sweet. These are a bunch of Cork coasters. They're very lightweight. They came with this little heart, and they're all tied together, but all of them say the word love on it, and there are 4 here. So this is also a really unique item, and such a great gift idea. Next to it here are some stickers, but these are really beautiful ones. This says, find what makes you happy, and these are all the stickers there. They all have beautiful notes on it. One says love, one says share the joy, one says love this day. They are really beautiful. So that is the next item there. And then this is another item that I was totally impressed with. This also came in an outer packaging in another box to make sure that it doesn't get broken. This is from this brand called Kate Aspen, and it is a beautiful, it came also wrapped in this beautiful little gift bag. So this is also, like I said, everything is thought of. There's always that little extra something, not just this item in the box, in another box that would be something, that you would normally see. She took the time to then place it also into another bag with a bow on it, so it's so easy to have as a gift. And these type of gifts are so fantastic to give to coworkers, to give to teachers. There's just something about them that are just, I have these, they're little knick-knack trays where if you have your jewelry that you take off at the end of the day, you could leave this beside where you wash your hands, so that when you're taking off your jewelry, it's always there. These are nice to have beside your bed as well. And this one in particular is just so beautiful, and it says love, and it's in that heart shape, which is so on theme for the month of February. Then really what this box is all about is getting you to jot down your notes. And I'm a girl that my computer is always filled with 3M stickers and notes and notepads and things like that. So I'm a girl that likes to write things down, and that's who I am. I'm from that generation where I don't sit on my, with my thumbs going through Instagram and my notebook and all of that. I am a paper girl. So that is why this box was so intriguing to me. And every single thing that is in this box, I think is really thought out well, and are things that I'm going to use. So this is a really cute pad that says love notes. And that is what this looks like here. And it's the same thing on every single page. It's just a pad. And then the last item in here is a product that everything came beautifully wrapped with these crinkles and all of that in here. This is, she's obviously doing enough that she's actually marketing things under her own brand, which is really, really exceptional. And this is on this booklet here, it says Love Notes. Because this is a monthly box, every month must have a different theme. But like I said, I'm new to this, so please share with me if you know more about this company, because everything that I've seen here, I've been really, really impressed with. This is beautifully, beautifully done. It is a beautiful, a dual tang type of folder. It has the lines on every page. This is a great, great notebook. And it's always nice to have different ones so that you know what each one is about. And because I have multiple companies and contracts and things like that with, a lot of consulting, I have a lot of different dual tang folders and things like that where I put, and I have little markings with things sticking out so I know what negotiations are here and there. So for me, this is something that I'm going to use for my own personal, and maybe it's something that I'll start using for YouTube, so I'll be able to write down some information there too. So this is just something I'm really happy to now have as well. And that is everything that I have to share with you about this box. I think it is really a beautifully put together box. I like everything. I'm going to use everything in the box, so to me that's what makes it a winner. Like I said, please share with me in the comments down below if you are familiar with this journal junk box, and if you've had the opportunity to get it month to month to month, and if the items inside were different and ones that you felt you were going to use and wanted to get it every single month. But I wanted to make sure to share this box with you guys. Like I said, they reached out like a lot of companies do, but this one stopped me. And I always check I try my best to go through all the emails that get sent to me. And if I feel it's a good fit, or if I think it's something that's going to interest you guys, I want to make sure at least that you're aware of it as well. All right. As always, during this time, I like to end all my videos that everybody continues to stay safe so that we can all stay well, and then we can continue to enjoy things like getting subscription boxes directly to our door, filled with items that will bring us some happiness and some joy. Today has been a full day for me. I got so many boxes and I wanted to make sure that you guys knew all about them. So I have filmed everything that I could possibly today for you guys, and I'm going to try to upload everything so that everybody will be able to go on each video and be able to see if something in there is intriguing to them as well. Take care, everybody. Continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.